Merry Christmas! Welcome back to Mommy Rosa's vlogs. For today's vlog, guys, we will be doing a DIY snowman. So join with us. But before that, let's have an intro. So before we going to start, I will show you the materials that we need. So we already make from yesterday a compile of wood, the wood branch. So I'm gonna show you. So here we already color. So it's 3 pieces of wood all together, and then we color it white. And then we will be needing these colors. I don't have the orange, so I will just use the red and the yellow, and also the paint brush, and this one for later, because we will put the buttons. So this is all recycled. So this is from the old decoration from the Christmas wreath, so I'll be using it as the button later. And this one will be the scarf of the snowman. So let's start.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lank, misfortune seemed his lot. We ran into a drifted bank, and there we got upside. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
So it's done now, guys. My little piece of art. So ayan na siya. So now we will going to put the buttons.
What is the bottle?
Buttons.
But how you okay? There need to be.
So ayan. So we will be using candle. We have the glue gun, but I prefer to use the candle with a glue stick para makontrol ko kung gaano kadami, no? And plus to save the energy, diba? So, let's start. It should be placed here. One button, two buttons. So dito siya.
Let's press, okay? Ah! Mommy, you don't get the telephone.
I let her borrow it. Ano?
Why? Why? You let Why you need to pick it? What
Anak, do not cover the camera.
What is? Why it's journal that? Why that is journal?
Yeah, because I burn it. If I burn it, then it become middle. Stick it quick. Is it line?
Is it not? Why you have that here?
Line ba siya?
I broke that. Why you have that here?
I broke it.
I broke it now. Mommy, I broke it, okay? Huh?
It's up to you.
I broke it or no?
That. So
I broke
pretty.
it. I broke
Okay,
it.
so we're done with the buttons. 3 buttons now. Don't need that anymore. You see? I only use so small. So I say. Now we will put the ribbons. So this is also trimmings. Oh yeah, I need it again.
Mommy, play home.
Well, if you will go to sleep, then we will give you.
I want try and put my lipstick. Just let's press a year. I just let's press a year. Okay? Don't make me late, please. Mommy, this.
So, we are done now, guys. And I will show you. Dali. Ayan. I will show you my finished product. So, we have to put here.
Claro, vende. Llegamos allá a California.
Let's double it up so the ice is in. And we have to put that up. So here now, guys, is my DIY snowman. Ayan. Diba? So cute, so cute, super cute. Ayan. So, if you want to make like this, just copy it. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope you like this video and see you for my next vlog. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, and if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe and click the bell button so you will get notified. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, hit the like button and notification bell. And for more video, just click on the 2 boxes on the right. See you in my next vlog. Bye!